Welcome to Storyteller. Our platform helps you share ideas, gather insights, and build an audience for your next big project. The best way to understand Storyteller is to see it in action. So let's get started. Imagine you have an idea for an app, something simple like a puppy playdate finder. It's a fun idea, but will other people think so too? The first step in validating an idea like this is often a website, a place to share your concept and gauge interest, perhaps by gathering a list of early supporters. Let's create a project in Storyteller. Here we're presented with a blank canvas ready for us to share our story. Notice we're not focused on designing an elaborate website. Instead, we're simply asked to tell our story. What is our idea? Why do we think it's a good one? Why should others care? And what's in it for them if they sign up now? I can paste an existing blog post about my idea as a starting point. Now we publish, and just like that, our idea is live and ready for the world to see. But wait, we need a way to capture interest. Let's head back to the editor and add an email capture form. Storyteller makes this simple. Instead of configuring integrations or designing a form, we just prompt the reader for their email at the right moment in our story. Now, users can join our list seamlessly. There is no need to set up complex forms or third-party tools. Storyteller handles it all. The editor also includes two powerful storytelling features, elevator pitches and explainer videos. Elevator pitches are short, impactful videos, up to 45 seconds, that allow you to introduce your idea to users quickly. Think of it as your opening statement, where you can pitch your concept, set up your story, or give essential context. It's a perfect way to engage visitors right from the start, helping them understand the value of your idea at a glance. Then we have explainer videos, which are designed to pop up as users scroll, activating when the anchor point on the page comes into view. These quick 15-second videos are meant to clarify a specific point, provide extra context, or add personality to your story without overwhelming the user. Think of them as mini moments that bring key ideas to life, giving visitors a deeper understanding of your project. Together, these features help make your storytelling more dynamic and engaging, ensuring your audience is fully immersed in your idea. Let's take a look at our analytics. We can see when someone signs up. But there's more. What's this persona option here? Let's explore. In our project settings, we find a section called Personas. Personas are an actionable way to understand your audience. Instead of sifting through data, your visitors can self-identify by selecting a persona that resonates with them. After a visitor signs up or leaves anonymous feedback, they're invited to choose a persona that best describes their needs or interests. This prompt appears automatically right after a visitor submits their email. Back on our site, the visitor's chosen persona will now appear in two main views, the guest view and the analytics view. In the guest view, each visitor is tagged with their selected persona, giving you quick insight into who's interacting with your content. This makes it easy to identify individual visitors and their preferences. Returning to the editor, we see options labeled A and B. These are A/B test versions of your page. You can create alternative versions to experiment with different messages and track which story resonates more. Creating a new version is simple. Just select an empty version, and Storyteller automatically duplicates your existing page. You can customize each version, and Storyteller will measure their performance side by side. Let's take a deeper look at the analytics features in Storyteller. Our analytics page is designed to be both powerful and user-friendly, presenting you with a range of visual insights that are easy to interpret. At the top, you'll find quick stats that give an at-a-glance overview of the current state of your project, including the number of signups, page views, and engagement rates. This makes it simple to see how your project is performing in real time. For a more detailed view, you have line charts that track these metrics over time, allowing you to spot trends and see how engagement evolves as your project grows. These trend lines help you understand the overall trajectory of your audience's interest and engagement. Alongside trends, you can see version distribution, conversion, and performance bars that compare how different versions of your project are performing. This feature lets you quickly gauge which version of your messaging or design is resonating most with visitors, helping you make data-driven decisions. When working with multiple versions of your project, Storyteller includes heat maps for each version. These heat maps show where users are scrolling and clicking, helping you identify which parts of your page are most engaging. You can see exactly where visitors are focusing their attention, which elements they're clicking on, and how far they're scrolling. This level of insight is invaluable for optimizing your content layout and calls to action. Together, these analytics tools provide a complete picture of how visitors interact with your project, helping you refine your approach, maximize engagement, and better connect with your audience. Now, back in the project view, we have the launch list. This feature is designed to guide you through launching with purpose and measurable goals. The launch list is made up of tasks and milestones that direct each phase of your project. You can start with a template or create a custom plan that aligns with your vision. What makes the launch list powerful is its flexibility. You might begin with early goals, like getting 10 people from a specific persona to sign up or reaching 1,000 page views. As you achieve these, you can add new goals and milestones over time, setting progressively ambitious targets to build momentum. The launch list is a living document connected to your analytics. Every milestone you achieve is reflected in real time, allowing you to see the direct impact of your efforts. For instance, if you set a milestone to increase visitors from a new traffic source, you'll track progress in your analytics. With each completed milestone, you'll gain a clear sense of accomplishment, creating a measurable path towards your project's success. As your project grows, the launch list grows with it, ensuring that every action brings you closer to your launch goals. Ultimately, the launch list transforms your journey from concept to launch into achievable, motivating steps, keeping your project on track and your goals in sight. And that's how Storyteller supports your project's journey. With a focused editor, simplified yet powerful analytics, and integrated marketing tools like A/B testing, personas, anonymous feedback, signups, and launch lists, Storyteller is here to take your idea from concept to market with the confidence that an audience is waiting. Thank you for exploring Storyteller, and best of luck with your project.